Now, I mentioned earlier that there are three pieces of equipment involved in this VPN. There's the client, the server, and then the routers in between. So what kinds of equipment can we use for those? First of all, we can have a specific appliance that we buy off the shelf, a VPN server or VPN concentrator. So I can buy this hardware appliance to act as my VPN server. I can also set up, using software, my own VPN client and server. In fact, it's built into many operating systems. For example, Microsoft Server has a VPN server in it called RAS, or Remote Access Server. So if you install that role into Microsoft Server, you already have a VPN server. And then in Microsoft Windows, there's a VPN client built in. Let me show that to you while we're at it. So I'm just going to go down here to the search on my system and type VPN. And I will go to the VPN settings and add VPN connection. So this is just in my Windows settings on my Windows 10 machine. So I'll just use the VPN built-in client, and then I would have to have my connection name, the server name or the address, what type of VPN, and you'll see we have these PPTP, L2TP, L2TP with pre-shared key, SSTP, IKE. We're going to talk about these in a little bit, but these are some of the various protocols that I can use and I can choose from for my VPN, and then my username and password. So you can see that this client VPN is built right into the Windows operating system. Many people are not aware that it's already in there. Firewalls can also act as VPN. Many firewall devices have VPN client and server built into them. And then many routers also have VPN software built into them so that they can act as the client and server in a VPN. So these are some of the various ways, some of the various kinds of hardware that we can use to set up these VPNs.